Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I don't have a story. That's the first thing. But I'll just tell you to go and watch a lot of stories, like a lot of them. Huh? There's this one that I slept with all my male neighbors. Yeah, that was it got some views. And then there was another one. Okay, there is a lot. I don't even remember all of them. And then there was this one where this wife loves social media so much. And okay, the funny thing about this story, this husband of ours used to beat her so much because the husband did not like social media and the wife liked social media. So this guy ends up beating the woman, and then one day she even knocked her down with a supuri. Yeah, that's another story. Let's remember another story. Oh, there is this story of a fake friend, and there is another story of and then there is another story of a fake friend, and there is another story of this dirty roommate. And then this dirty roommate used not to wash anything. She would even take like 1 month before she takes a shower. Like when she takes a shower, it's like when there is something, there is somewhere where she goes to. If there is no anywhere where she is going to, she'll just use deodorant, perfume, yeah, all of that. And I'm telling you, even if she ended up having a child, so instead of throwing the diapers, she would just put them down the bed, and the room could be smelling so bad. Even the used sanitary towels, she would just throw them under the bed or put them in a basin for them to soak, and you were just like, ew, disgusting. But okay, it's your roommate, so you have to just take it. So next story was my first kiss. Yeah. That one you'll just go and watch it for yourself. And then there was this another one that the lecturer lectured my heart. Man, that was another story, guys. You should go and watch it. It's even a 1 hour story. Yeah, the lecturer lectured my heart. It's the stories I did 7 months ago, or let's say 6 months ago. Yeah, 6 months ago, because we are in December. 1st December. Okay, this video I'm doing at 1st December, but you'll be watching it at 7th December. The videos you'll be watching at 7th December, 8th December, 9th December is the videos I did at 1st December. Yeah, I think, yeah, I'll be doing like 3 videos a day, but you'll be watching later. I can even do videos till January, so that when I'm busy so much, or even if I get a job, I'll not miss posting. So that's why I'm doing videos for even January, because whenever I'm busy, I'll not miss posting. So yeah, that is it. Maybe I should tell you a story about okay, let me tell you a story about this girl. Okay, it's a story, and I don't want to mention names because this person might be watching my video. So it's about this girl who was very, like, she was just that good girl in high school. She was that good girl, and then we ended up going to the same campus. And this girl is telling me that she was not that good girl in high school. She was just pretending. And I'm like, why were you pretending? because I expected you to get like a A in school. But she told me that she was pretending, she was not even reading, because every minute she was just on that book. And she was telling me that she was just hearing our stories, but she didn't want to involve herself. She wanted to just hear it. And for us to think that she's a saint. And now, when Erin comes, I realize she knows a lot of things that I didn't even think she knows. And she was even telling me about just a lot of things, just a lot of things. I don't want to go deep to that story because I know this person might be watching my videos and she might, Karen, I told you this, and you just went and told your YouTuber family that I did this and this, so I don't want such thing. I don't want such thing because it's bad. It's bad for me because she's from around me, around where I live. So if that happens, I don't want to get in